Trends and market statistics in healthcare building sector. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. Gain the latest knowledge on trends and market statistics within the healthcare building sector. Total number of hospitals has held fairly steady over the last 2 to 3 years. In 2022, the number of hospitals was just over 6,000 in the United States, with just over 920,000 beds. Total operating expense topped $1 trillion about 4 years ago, and that's been trending upwards since then. So in 2022, it was at about 1.21 trillion for operating costs. So operating costs in hospitals has been trending up, and this has led to what we've seen sprouting up various places, smaller urgent care facilities and micro hospitals. Dodge forecasts healthcare construction starts to be up 19% in 2023 over 2022. And construction put in place in 2023 to about 52 billion. That's over 7% over increase from 2022. Here in the United States, we have an aging population. This forecast between 2020 to 2060 is that the adult increase is going to be about 69% of the population over 85. So that's quite a growth in older population. So that's spurring the demand for expanding the healthcare market. Since hospital operating cost is a huge issue, the healthcare industry has been looking at ways to try to control and minimize hospital operating cost. That's led to things like micro hospitals in rural areas where there's not a large enough population to support a larger hospital. We've seen a growth in what we call micro hospitals. These are smaller facilities that offer close to the full range of larger hospitals without having the specialization care that you'd find in a larger hospital. We've also seen growth of what we call urgent care facilities. These have kind of followed growth in retail segment, the retail segment growing, and urgent care follows them and kind of builds along with the retail market. The goal of the urgent care is to split all certain non-critical medical care to smaller locations, reducing the overall operating costs. So micro hospitals and urgent cares can offer a lot of non-critical services to people in urban and rural areas at a lower operating cost than a major hospital can. That's why we're seeing a growth in these type of facilities. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.